We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more non-obvious words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as rhetoric. You do want to stress on the first syllable, rhetoric. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as rhetoric. Rhetoric in American English versus rhetoric in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.